Greetings my people, welcome back to the channel. You don't know, it's Queen Jody and AP there on the driver's seat.
Where else we could have Yeah.
Yeah guys,
so family, yeah, you don't know, welcome back to the channel. We're head towards JamGam Restaurant, Jody 30, so it's alright.
Sorry.
Yes.
Lean.
It's lean.
Yeah.
But always a fight with the camera, it's cool. So we're heading to JamGam Restaurant guys, so we wanted to show you how to find JamGam Restaurant in the Gambia.
That's right.
So everybody knows Senegambia, right?
Yeah, so this is Senegambia.
We're pulling up to Senegambia right now, right? So
the nice paintings over there, so.
The painting, yeah, cause if you know, unless you go hold the phone in your hand.
Give me a turn, man.
Okay.
Yeah, the nice paintings over that side where the girl with the, what's her name again? Aminata had painted recently.
Yeah, shout out to
yeah.
her. So you're at Senegambia right now, family. And from Senegambia, you just go straight. It's not far from here. JamGam Restaurant really nice though. The food though, why did I tell you? The food turn up.
You can't say that again.
Mr. The food turn up. Yeah. So enough with that all the time and just relax yourself. Chop. Yes family. So if you have been in the Gambia, if you're in the Gambia, you come to JamGam Restaurant, comment below and make the people know how the food tastes, man. Tell the people how the food tastes. And if you're coming to the Gambia, make sure you come to JamGam. So I will just drive past Senegambia. We're heading, I think this is Kololi now. We're in Kololi.
Yeah,
Senegambia is in Kololi, huh?
Yeah, Senegambia is in Kololi or something like that.
Yeah. So we're going down.
Fly, don't leave me alone, man.
You're going to do it alone if you leave it.
Oh, tell him to go on with it. No problem.
So, yeah, we're headed down the strip, guys. This road leading to Kololi, Code 2. You know, you can take this road to go to Kariba, Banjul. You know? Yeah. So you can't miss it. There's, what do you call it? A clinic run, there's a medical center, Atlas gas station. Can't miss that.
And then you have one place called Sun City. Well, this is an advertisement.
It's an advertisement board with Sun City.
What they call over here, so again, Vineyard. Or something to that effect.
Yeah.
And,
so,
I have the.
now them call out here, so like the Old Dream Park.
Yeah, out here, so as well. Old Dream Park.
So them call it.
Yeah, so
everybody
you
knows that. So you gotta turn right here, so. After you pass the twin building, this big plaza, you can't miss it.
But then called Old Dream Park.
Yeah. So you have to turn down this road. This road is where Kololi is located. That's why I said the same road that leads to Kololi, right?
They say Kololi Pines.
Kololi Pines. No, Kololi Pines is around the other side. Yeah,
okay.
but
well, most people call it as a Pokoloko Strip because of the beach bar. Greetings,
hey,
how you do? Want to not taste the food yet? Want to not get a taste of the food yet? The Jamaican food.
Oh, Jamaican food?
Hey.
You enjoy yourself.
Yes, man, you have to come and get a taste.
I wish I also come and join you.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah. Bro,
yes,
good,
man.
thank you.
Yeah,
Alright,
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Yes, so that's, the checkpoint. You have to have a checkpoint. Make sure the place is secure.
That's right.
So, down here, so the place there, people. You just come down, Jody. Turn the camera a little bit down over that side so they can see what I want. Yo!
Alright.
Come like a wait first.
Oh,
so we want everybody to see our way there. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right, yeah. So.
Right, that's the AP.
So JamGam. So the side there. So you can. Okay, Queen Jody. We're setting up, guys. Yeah. Welcome to JamGam. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Yeah, family. So, yeah, outside is dope. And I don't know, every weekend, Friday to Sunday, we're gonna have some events going on out here, guys. It's gonna be fire. Woo. I'm sure you watch a live stream when you see, music. Oh, God. Queen Jody and the perfect alignment. Show everything be aligned perfect. You know? Yeah, it's nice. Eh? Oh yeah, that's true. That is true. But it's nice. This would be good for like a family event.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. Sorry guys. So we are at JamGam Restaurant setting up Monday for the first straight week operational. Hey Jody, anything what you want to say?
No, just that I'm really proud of this news.
Yes.
We see the journey how far it has come. And so it's officially open, guys.
Yes.
Our staff is clean up.
Hey, things are going. Why you run down here and done it?
So
This one just can't stay put it up.
just checking. Yes, everything is good so far.
So if you're in the Gambia, make sure you come out to JamGam Restaurant. You see the direction from Senegambia in the video, so you can't miss it. You understand? Just follow the direction and come right down and you will see it. You know. So we're setting up to do, you know, everything. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Probably we should make this
Just one.
long, the long way. Have more seating
Slants.
instead of being
Oh, separated.
no, like instead of being back.
Oh, put one here so instead of, yeah, for real. One could have come here so instead. What about this space here? What about? Okay. Okay. Make more dollars too. Yeah, actually, that's dope. Yeah, turn this to too.
You don't want the
Oh, back to okay. I understand what you're saying. Okay. Alright, shout out to Queen Jody for this. Yeah. Alright. That's good, right? It's actually smart. Because then it gives more space. It's nice.
this one can stay.
Okay. More walking room. So you sure? Should we push this one or make it stay? But I think if we push it more to the front, it's fine. I remember the some they have to pass when they're serving.
If there's another chair to go there, you want to make sure it's there for it.
I understand. Hey. Hi. You have any mackerel rundown? You don't know what that is?
No, we don't have any yet.
You don't have no mackerel rundown? What you have in there? What you have in there that we can't order right now? Find out from the chef.
Yeah.
Alright, no way. Yeah.
And some a nice list.
Alright, so yeah. We just wanted you guys to see what's going on. Cleaning up and fixing up, ready. Official opening. Wow. So family, share this video everywhere. Remember, subscribe to the channel. If you're in the Gambia, come down to JamGam Restaurant, Grill and Bar. Enjoy the nice Jamaican food. Wide open space. You see me? Yeah, turn it back?
Yeah, just make these stay.
Why? Why I turn it back? What's wrong? Your idea is good. Jody, they're in a creative mood right there. Yeah. Why you fast with everything for? You block the road behind you, that's why they draw it over.
No, it has to stay this way.
Mm-hmm.
To next year. We'll go.
Where's the next year? Okay,
So
exactly.
it's going to be alone after now.
Yeah. So I'm going to wrap up the video and tell them, Jody, to come out.
Yeah, so make sure to come out, guys, and visit the restaurant. Come stop and get some real authentic Jamaican food.
Yeah, whisper. You can't hear nothing what you say.
Hear what I say?
No, I'm gonna put the camera closer.
And I have a sleepy voice same way.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, I'm just saying, make sure to come on down and check us out.
Oh, you mean?
Yes, sir.
JamGam Restaurant, Grill and Bar. African Pekini says so. Yeah? Until next time, I always wrap up, Jody.
Oh, accept non-age, raise your frequency.
Protect your food.
Yeah, come get some food.
Go. Yeah. All right.
Rise up. Oh, Mama Africa. Yes, I can see it. The day when we all shall rise.